If you want to create AI wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to Personalize. And then in here tap on the lock screen, and then in here in this section we should be able to choose the Image Studio. Now over here we're gonna tap on Get Started, and you need to have a Motorola account to be able to use the AI to create wallpapers on your phone. So we can tap on Unlock with Motorola account, and then we need to sign in. Now thankfully we can use our Google account to quickly sign in, so I'm just gonna continue with my account over here. Now once you log in, you should be able to choose to create an image. Then over here we're gonna tap on this arrow and then this check. Now we can provide the prompt over here, so you can write how your wallpaper should look like. There is also the aspect ratio selection, which in my case I'm gonna choose portrait because it fits the ratio of the display. And then here below we also have some of the styles that we can choose from. So let's say I'm gonna choose surreal style. Now let me just quickly write a prompt. And then once you write your prompt, you should be able to tap on Generate Image. Over here we need to grant the access to cloud permission. So let's do this. And if needed, tap again in order to confirm. You might also allow the access to send you notifications so that you can be informed whenever the wallpaper is ready, but most likely you just want to stay over here and wait for the result, which shouldn't take too long. There we go. Now, of course, we can save this image. You can also just set as wallpaper immediately, or you can redo in order to get additional examples, of course. So maybe you can generate something even better. And then once you find the wallpaper that you wish to use, then we can just tap on the Set as Wallpaper over here. You can still, of course, adjust the wallpaper if you want to. You can zoom in and zoom out, move left and right, and so on and so forth. And let's just set the wallpaper here. I'm gonna set it for both screens. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.